Hi, students, listen one more problem. So this is, look here, integral of square root of x square plus 1 into log of x square plus 1 minus 2 log x by x to the power of 4 dx. This is a JEE mains problem. Right, how to solve this problem is, look here. This is log x square plus 1 minus 2 log x. 2 log x means what? Log of x square. So log m minus log n, log of m by n, this can be written as, here x to the power of 4 is there. Okay, right, now look here, first of all, the first step is x square plus 1 into, this can be written as, so log m minus log n. So directly I have to write here, log of x square plus 1 by x square, got it, by x to the power of 4 into dx, this is by x power 4 dx, right, look here, x power 4, so this can be written as square root of x square plus 1 into, this is log of x square by x square 1 plus 1 by x square by, so x power 4 is there, x power 4 can be written as x into x cube dx. Okay, right, one more step. So here, look here, this is x square plus 1 is there, by x is there, this can be written as x square plus 1 by x square. Take this inside the root, that value is x square. This one is log of 1 plus 1 by x square by x cube into dx. Got my point? This is the value. Here x square by x square 1 plus 1 by x square value. Right, now look here. Now this equals to, this can be written as 1 plus 1 by x square 1 value. This is log of 1 plus 1 by x square by x cube into dx. Right, after modification, simplification and dividing, then this becomes like this. So 1 by 1 plus x square. Now here put 1 plus 1 by x square equals to t. Derivative of 1 0. Derivative of 1 by x square means x power minus 2. That is minus 2 into x to the power of minus 3 dx equals to dt. Got it? So that is, this is nothing but minus 2 by x cube. That is, this can be written as 1 by x cube dx equals to minus dt by 2. That value is minus dt by 2. Substituting these values in given limit, given integration. That is, 1 by means that value is t. This is log of t. That is nothing but, this case log t by, so look here, 1 by x cube dx is equals to what? Minus dt by 2. Minus dt by 2. Got it? This equals to minus 1 by 2 into root t into log t dt. Now we are doing, by using integrating by parts, you can solve the remaining problem. That is by parts. By parts means what? So here, by parts, first function into second function. Suppose two functions are there. So the integrating by parts is what? The integrating by parts is first function into integral of second function minus integral derivative of first function integral of the second function. And so total integrate that value. That is called integrating by parts. Okay. Now look here. The remaining is, so do the integrating by parts here. This equals to minus 1 by 2 into root t into log t dt. Integrating by parts, by using integrating by parts. Here root t is there, log t is there. So you know already ILA, TE, ILAT, I for inverse, L for logarithmic, A for algebra, T for trigonometry, E for exponential. According to this order, we have to choose first function, second function. So log t, this is the first function, algebraic term, this is the second term. So this equals to minus 1 by 2 into first function. First function means log t into integral of second function. So that is t power 1 by 2. Root t means t power 1 by 2 dt minus integral of derivative of first function log t. Log t means 1 by t. Integral of the root t. Root t means here, so t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 dt. Got it? So this is root t, t power half. T power half plus 1 by half plus 1. That is 3 by 2. So that is the value. Right. Now look here. The remaining is minus 1 by 2. Okay. So this is log t. This is log t into. Here also t power half means t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So here minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means this is 2 by 3. That value is 3 by 2 into. Here t is there, t power half, 1 by 1 and half. This is 1 and half. 3 by 2 means 1 and half. So t 1 t cancel. Half left here. So t power half left. That is root to t to the power of 1 by 2 dt. That value is. Okay. That's my point. Is equals to minus 1 by t minus 1 by 2 into. This is 2 by 3. This is log t into 2 by 3. This is 2 by 3 t. So t power 3 by 2 value minus 2 by 3 into. So this is also t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. Okay. Right. Look here. Minus 1 by 2 into. So multiplying with minus 1 by 2. Otherwise multiplying with minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 means 2 gets cancelled. This is 1 by 3 log t into t power 3 by 2 this one, minus into minus plus, this is, so look here, minus into minus plus is 1 by 2 into this one. So this is 2 by 3, it's totally 4 by 3. 4 by 3 means that value is 2 by 9. Got it? What I am telling? T power 3 by 2 plus c, that value. Now, instead of the substituting that value, which value means 1 plus 1 by t square, substituting this value. This is nothing but x square plus 1 by x square equals to t. Substitute that value. Okay, right. Now, only one step left. Okay. Right, look here. So, basically, this is some lengthy problem. But in examination point of view, important problem. So minus 1 by 3 is there. Here t means that value, so x square plus 1 by x square. So this equals to minus 1 by 3 into, so log t means log of x square plus 1 by x square into, so here also x square plus 1 by x square whole power 3 by 2 plus 2 by 9, that is 2 by 9 into, so x square plus 1 by x square whole power 3 by 2 plus c. Okay. So look here. So here 2 by 3 x square plus 1 by x square whole power 3 by 2 is there. Here also x square plus 1 by x square whole power 3 by 2. Take common that one. So after taking common 2 by 2, so suppose let us take 2 by 3 common. 2 by 3 common, then it becomes what? So 2 by 3 take common. This is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 minus, so that value is 1 by 2 into log of x square plus 1 by x square, log of, that is the value. Okay, that's my point. That is the solution of this problem here. 2 by 3. So one point here, taking common, that is 2 by 3 taking common. So x square plus 1 by x square whole power 3 by 2 into that take common, that is here 2 by 3 taking common. 2 by 3 into x square plus 1 by x square whole power 3 by 2 taking common. Then this is 1 by 3, that value is, so like that. Okay, got it? Minus 1 by 2. So 2 to cancel, that is 1 by 3, that is okay. So 2 by 9 means 2, okay, 3 into, so that is the solution of this problem. Now this is one of the option. This is a solution. That's all. Okay, thank you very much.